In this guide, I'm quickly going to show you how you easily can display the value of selected variants on your Shopify product pages. It's not default by Shopify today, so therefore it's a quite common request from merchants who work a lot with custom swatches. For example, the most common one is they want to display the actual color black or the actual fabric of the black color option on their product page to be able to make sure the visitor and the customer on the product page knows what they have selected. It's a very non-technical guide. You should be able to copy and paste your way through it. I've prepared all the code you need, so just jump into the guide, follow along, and any questions, drop a comment in the video or in the guide in itself. And if you by any chance need help to implement this on your product page and in your theme, it's just to reach out to me or buy my guide installation. Best of luck. Let's jump in. Okay, so now we can see the guide how to display value of selected variant on product pages. We want to go basically from only displaying the label to displaying both the label and the value selected. So if you change between large, medium, this should update as well to large if you change to large. And this guide will work on all three variants, of course. So it's very simple. Just scroll down to step number 1 if you don't want to read the instructions or read the introduction. As mentioned, I used the Dawn version 9 in this guide, but it should work with most of the free Shopify themes out there. So yeah, let's just crack on. We go to step 1. We're gonna add this code in global.js. So we start here, add this code in global.js. So go to edit code on your theme. Yes, we got that on the right hand side here. In the top left corner, search for global.js, global.js, and we got that file here. So let's open that one up. And then just go to the next bullet, go to row 828. So either we can just scroll all the way down to 828, or we just search by pressing Command F, PC, probably Control F, and we search for on variant change, and it should be right here. We have row 828 within this function here. So let's just follow along, jump down to a new row. Yes, bam. Copy and paste below code on the new row so it looks like the following image. This image might be too small for you, but if you open the guide you will see it quite clearly. So just paste that bad boy there and remove the blank row below. And just follow along on the next step. Now go to row 910. Okay, let's do that then. And it just scroll a few bits down, 910. Got it. Jump down to a new row or 2. Copy and paste below code on the new row so it looks like the following image. So here we got the code. Let's copy that first. Bam, Command C or right click and press copy. So here we can see the image as well. So we're gonna paste it between remove error message and the ending of the update pickup availability function. Okay, so here is perfect then. Command V or right click with the mouse and press paste. Click paste. Bam, and the last bullet, we can save this file in the top right corner. Okay, so this file is now done. Save. Step 1, dead easy. So let's proceed. So far so good as mentioned. Step 2, this is the next file we're gonna do some changes in. So search for product-variant-picker.liquid in the top left corner. So let's find that one. Product-variant-picker. Yeah, and make sure that you select picker, not options. So we got that one here. Next bullet, go to row 26. Yes, it's quite far up. So here we got that one, row 26. Replace everything on row 26 with below code, so the row looks like the following image. So basically what we're gonna do, we're gonna copy this one. It's a long one, so make sure you get the full of it. Copy, and then as you can see on the row, we're basically replacing everything here. So delete this string and paste the new one on row 26. And as you can see, it's quite far, but what we basically have here is the option name as previously. We add a colon, whatever the English pronouncement is for that one. We add a blank space as well, so we separate the value and the label. We call the function that we added in the global.js file recently in step 1. And we output for the customer here the selected value basically. The for loop index here is basically just to indicate if it's variant 1, 2 or 3 in the Shopify product page. So for example, if you have color, size and sleeve length as in this example, this will just convert to 1, 2 or 3 to make sure that it works individually per variant. So yeah, that easy. Save this file in the top right corner is the next bullet in step 2. So let's save there. So yeah, we should be good to go. Step number 3, dead easy, very important though. Confirm that it's working. So yeah, fingers crossed on this one. So bullet 1, stay in edit code mode and click preview store in the top right corner. So we go back to the code and we click preview store. And as you can see, quite default Dawn theme. We go to the product we know have variants in it, and as you can see here we have the label, and now we got the selected variant here as well. So if we change to small, this updates to small. If we change the color to tan, it updates to tan, and petite as well, and black, and you can just go along here. So yeah, very handy function, very handy feature, very easy to implement as well. And then you can just start customizing the swatches, but that's a guide for later as well. But yeah, it will probably look something like this when you're done with the color swatches. So this is just one of the examples how we use the custom images instead of the text tan, and therefore it's very important to be able to display this for the customer so they know what they select before they add to basket. So yeah, thank you for watching, best of luck, and enjoy the rest of your day. Peace.